Hello, this is Abby here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Just Arby Things. And sorry for my voice. Currently, I have cold, so my voice is not that clear and good. So today, I want to talk about the modified MIUI ROMs like MIUI Europe and the other modified MIUI version. Most of them are MIUI China build based. Like you can see in my phone, I have installed MIUI by Xiaomi.eu, and this is basically the Chinese version of Poco F1, but it's modified and cleaned by Xiaomi.eu, the Europe community. So this is a better version than global because it has most of the bloatwares removed and all that stuff. That's why people use it. But the biggest issue in this ROM is, and all the modified ROMs, all the ROMs which are based on MIUI China, the themes app, if you open it, first of all, it will ask an extra permission. This is access phone number and device status. And when you agree it, you will see the Chinese themes store, and it has not much themes in this server. The third issue in the Chinese theme server is there are no themes from global server. Like when you were using your stock ROM, and surely you had some favorite themes. If you try to search them, you won't find them here, and you cannot even understand the text, what is written, the information or anything, and you won't see any global theme in it. Here you can see the theme is very nice, but the issue is the text. Text on messaging, text on dialer, text in setting apps, and there are many other apps and UI where the text is in Chinese, and that creates an issue. So there is a very simple fix for it. All you have to do is you have to install the global MIUI theme engine. This the global theme engine, it has global themes and global server inside it, but it has the same package name as the Chinese theme engine, so you can override it. So all you just have to do is install it over your pre-installed Chinese theme engine. So when you will try to install it, the package installer, this package installer from your modified Chinese ROM is native MIUI package installer, and it has a protection that you cannot install the system apps via any unofficial channel or source. So it has blocked the installation of the theme engine. So what you can do is you can install the native Google package installer, and when you will install it, after that you have to try to install the global theme engine via Google package installer. And see here, you can overwrite the global theme engine over the Chinese theme engine very easily. And after that, when you will install it, you can see it's not asking for that permission. And here you can see all the themes that you are using in your stock ROM. You can use it in your Chinese ROM too. See, the theme is working pretty nice. It is a theme of global theme engine, a global server, and it has applied successfully. And just in case, if you don't want to keep the global theme engine installed in your phone, you can download your favorite themes. Here you can go in your favorite section, and here you can see this is my theme. This is not available in Chinese server. And if you try to go to favorites, in your Chinese theme engine, this theme will not show. But now currently I am running on global theme engine, so it's showing in my favorite section, and it will also showing my favorite fonts. But if I try to go in favorites in Chinese theme engine, these themes or fonts won't show. If you don't want to keep this theme engine installed, what you can do is you can install your favorite themes from global theme engine. How many themes you want, you can just install it. And like, I want to keep these 3 themes. Here you can see I want to keep 3 themes: Snow Scene, Pixel Pro, Winter Forest. These themes are from global theme engine, and this theme is from Chinese. This theme is also from Chinese. Okay, I want to keep these 3 themes in my phone, but I don't want to keep the global theme engine. Go to app info, you uninstall the updates, see the version. The version was 1.6.9.5 global. Now it has come back to 1.9.2.1, and it is the Chinese theme server. You can see it's asking for that permission again, and you have to give it to use it. So I just agreed, and here is the Chinese theme server again. You can go to my account, you can go to themes, and you can use these themes. These 3 themes are from global server, but you can apply it and use it until you delete it. Anytime, like I want to use Winter Forest, I can apply it directly. And see, it has applied without any issue. And the thing about I told you about the favorite tab, you can go to favorites. Here you can see the selected theme that I have selected as favorite in global theme server. It's not showing here. I have chosen 3 fonts as my favorite in global theme server, but it's not showing here. And the account is already logged in, you can see. So here it is. That's all. And I don't think there is any need to uninstall the global theme server. It will work perfectly. There is no issue. And the benefit is too much. The database of the theme is very big in comparison to the Chinese theme server. There are very good themes in the global theme server in comparison of Chinese. Chinese theme server has also good themes, but the main issue is language. That's all for today. I will be back soon. Till then, sub to the channel, like it, share it. That's all. Peace out.